Hey guys, and welcome to Glorious Day Adventures. So today we've got a project on our hands. Today we're going to rip off this awning and replace it with a OPENROAD 270-degree awning. We've had the Cool Camp since 2019. I think we've used that awning like twice. There's just lots of things about it that we don't like. So we typically bring like a Walmart big old pop-up kind of standalone awning, but it's big and it's heavy. It's difficult to set up, so it's a two-person kind of job. This is a two-person kind of job, and with the OPENROAD 270, it's a one-person kind of job. So let's open this up and take a look at it and look at some of the reasons we don't like this awning. Okay, so this awning rolls out, which is like pretty simple. But the challenge is once you get out to this point and you get it all rolled out, well, then what do? So you've got these poles that come down, but you got to you got to extend them. And so it's really cumbersome for one person to set up. And then even once you do get the poles extended out, like right now we're on we're on cement. So if you're on cement or a hard packed campsite, you have to use the guy lines and the stakes, otherwise it just falls over. So between having two poles that are like 8 feet apart and having to use guy lines, this is really a challenging canopy or tarp for one person to set up. All right, so we're having to get a little creative. The Runaway has these 1 3/4 inch bars, so we use 2-inch U-bolts. Problem is the holes on the bracket are a little smaller than 2 inches. So I got these clamps, hose clamps, and screwed them on there so I could pull those bolts in a little bit and get them cranked down. So a little bit of work, but we're gonna make it happen. Okay, it's officially on. We haven't cranked it all the way tight because actually you can slide this and figure out where you want to put it, front to back. So we'll probably end up opening it up, seeing how it covers it, and then close it back up and move it as we need to. All right, thanks to my lovely wife, Amy. It's a two-person job, by the way. It's a sturdy awning. It's not light, so it's built really well. So thanks to Amy, we got it mounted and we got it positioned right where we want it. So now we're going to show you what it looks like when it's open. Super easy. Open it up, flip the cover back. And like we said, the awning we had before was definitely a two-person job, but setting this awning up, one person. So some Velcro that keeps the awning in place, and then it literally just opens up. Okay, so OPENROAD gives you this really kind of cool tensioning cord, so you can pull the awning back tight. So I'm just going to wrap it around the bar here. My awning's getting away from me. And this is actually what will keep the awning open and nice and tight and taut. That's it. The awning is set up. Okay, now that the awning is set up, I want to give you some cool features about the awning. One is that it is freestanding. They have this really nice, robust kind of a truss system. So the arms aren't flimsy, and it really is well made. They do have built-in lighting. So each one of these arms has built-in lighting, and they give you a little connection kit, so you can just take a USB kind of charger, USB battery bank, and plug it in and illuminate these lights. It does have legs that pop down, so even though it is freestanding, you don't have to use legs, but if the weather's gonna be bad, you might want to use legs. They just literally fold down. Wow, they think of everything. The way they did this is pretty ingenious. And then they just turn. So now there's legs. There's really good D-rings up here. So you can take guy lines and some spikes and tie to that D-ring, tension it out, go into the ground. So you can, in bad weather, your awning doesn't blow away. But all in all, it's really nice. The fact that I can like open it myself and set it up myself in about 37 seconds is so much better than the old awning. Okay, so all in all, it took probably hour and a half, hour and 45 minutes to install. I think we're gonna love it. It's well made. The fact that either Amy and I can set it up just all by ourselves is like super fantastic. So we do have an upcoming camping trip that we'll be using this awning on, so hopefully you'll catch that adventure in the future. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and comment, and don't forget to have a glorious day.